Hey, everybody. Okay, it's time to wrap up this course and review. We are going to go right back to the beginning of the year. This will not cover absolutely everything that you would need to get 100 on the Regents, but it will prompt your memory, hopefully, on the key ideas and vocabulary that we learned this year. All right, let's start right back at the beginning. The very first thing we did this year was talk about the life processes. You have to eat and you have to digest food so that you can get materials and make them usable for energy and building blocks. Once you get those usable size building blocks, and they have to be small enough to fit into a cell, once that happens, then you have to move them to and from the cells. That all has to be controlled so that you have the right blood pressure and the right temperature. One of the life processes that you may do is have offspring like yourself and add more individuals to the population. We certainly get bigger. We break down sugar to get energy. Remember that when you obtain those materials and get them small enough to fit into your cells, then you have to, in your cells, take some of those and break them down to get sugar. So here we have a list of vocabulary words that we're going to fit in there. Growth, nutrition, regulation, reproduction, respiration, transport, homeostasis. You're going to take a moment now to figure out what goes in what. All right, let's see how we did. Obtaining materials and making them usable for energy and building blocks. Your digestive system takes in, say, starch and breaks it down into sugar. Why? Starch won't fit across your cell membranes, but sugar will. So you eat starch, you digest it by nutrition, your life process of nutrition, you digest it down into sugar, and you also can get proteins and break them down into amino acids. That's nutrition, obtaining materials and making them usable. Then you have to move them to your cells by transport. Once they get to your cells, there are various things you can do, but to make all this happen, you must regulate your body. So you do the life process of regulation. And in the process, you keep the constant temperature and a constant blood pressure, so you're able to maintain homeostasis. Many individuals will reproduce, creating more individuals of the same species. When you have a baby, that baby is going to have to go from small to big. Getting bigger is growth. And put a star next to this one, respiration, breaking down sugar to release energy, absolutely critical. Gotta know that one because respiration is tested like crazy. So if you get sugar into your cells, it can then be broken down by respiration to release energy. Just want to quickly go over which systems these are associated with. Nutrition is associated with the digestive system. Transport with the circulatory system. The nervous and endocrine systems are what allow you to respond to the outside world in order to maintain homeostasis. And I have a typo. The reproductive system reproduces. Growth is associated with so many different systems. I didn't put any in there. And respiration happens in all your body cells. So those are the life processes.